I'm having a little trouble starting my fire, so I'm gonna go old school.
Yep.
Okay. Put it in the fire.
The
The,
moths?
yeah.
Yep, there's moths, but only in the summer. Here you go. You got, buddy.
You want a little rolling steak juice?
I need at least one luxury per camping trip.